In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Google Passkey. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, Google Passkey is basically really useful. It allows you to sign into your devices a lot quicker, a lot easier, and it just adds another layer of security. So I would highly recommend using it. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to open up your Google Chrome app, or even your Google app, or whatever it may be. So we're going to open up Google Chrome, and from here you want to press your profile on the very top right. From here, all you want to do is press manage your Google account. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and all you want to do is you want to head on over to the fourth tab, which is security. Once you're in the security tab, you want to scroll down until you find passkeys and security keys. So you want to press start using passkeys. Once you've logged in, it's going to look something like this, and all you want to do is create a passkey. Once you press this, it's going to say create a passkey to start signing in with just your fingerprint, face, or screen lock. You can create a passkey on this device or use another device like a hardware security key. So what you want to do is just press create a passkey. You can save it to wherever you want. So we're going to save it to passwords. It's going to ask for your face ID, and that's it. Passkey created. You can now use your fingerprint, face, screen lock, or hardware security key to verify that's really you signing in. But I would definitely recommend doing this because, like I said, it adds another layer of security. But if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also let us know in the comments what more tutorials you want from this channel in the future.